The economy is booming, but a hidden crisis is spreading fast. Workforce gaps are growing. Why can't businesses find the workers they desperately need right now? The latest UNC System study highlights a paradox. Even as the economy expands, workforce gaps are widening across multiple sectors. This means companies are struggling to fill positions despite more jobs being created. The report shows these gaps are not just minor shortages, but significant enough to threaten continued growth, especially in key industries that drive the economy forward. According to the UNC System research, manufacturing, healthcare, and technology industries face the most critical workforce shortages. These are sectors essential to both economic stability and innovation. Employers in these fields are finding it increasingly difficult to recruit qualified candidates, which could slow down production, patient care, and tech advancements if the trend continues. The study points to two major factors driving these workforce gaps: a mismatch between candidate skills and job requirements, and demographic changes such as an aging workforce. As older workers retire, younger generations are not filling roles at the same rate or with the right skill sets, especially in specialized or technical jobs. This creates a growing divide between available talent and employer needs. To address these growing workforce gaps, businesses need to rethink their approach. The UNC System study urges companies to invest more heavily in employee training and development programs. Relying solely on traditional hiring won't be enough. Partnerships with educational institutions and targeted upskilling initiatives will be critical to building a workforce ready to meet today's demands. For you, this means opportunity and challenge. As workforce gaps grow, job seekers who invest in learning new skills, especially in healthcare, manufacturing, and tech, can position themselves for better job security and higher wages. Staying ahead by adapting your skill set is now essential to thrive in a rapidly evolving job market. The expanding workforce gap could slow economic growth and limit job opportunities if ignored. But it also opens doors for those ready to upskill and adapt. Stay informed and prepared to secure your place in tomorrow's workforce. If you want to keep up with the latest job market trends and what they mean for you, hit subscribe now.